Today I am reviewing these awesome adjustable height bar stools. I was sent these to review and I'm so thankful for that because they have completely exceeded my expectations. They come in a bunch of different colors in either a black or a gold base. We got the gold base, and I've reviewed a lot of products, over 2,000 products, and sometimes things are borderline. These are really high quality. Like, I don't think anyone would be disappointed by buying these. They are heavy, so that is one thing against them if you're moving them in and out. They are heavy because they have this weighted base. This base right here, you can see, is actually super thick metal, so they don't tip or move around. Has this nice metal footstool right here. Cylinder. They go about 22 to 32 inches, and even like the detail, like look at the knurling, or it's kind of on the adjustment knob, which is all metal. There's no plastic anywhere. Look underneath here, and you have metal brackets going to the outside of the chairs that are nicely welded, big metal plate. This is not something that just looks nice, but is a low quality. These are very high quality. Like, look at that lever right there. It's very elegant, great detail, nice velvet top, super comfortable. It wraps your body around it, how it hugs your back. Nice base here, plenty of cushion, and these are gas adjustable. So watch, if I push this up, it simply moves up, and you can see right there, moving up and down, it moves really well. You sit on it and can adjust it back down. They swivel, which is nice. They come in a bunch of different fabric colors, so you can get one for pretty much any decor you would want. And yeah, just there's really no complaints about them. Super happy with them. The velvet, you can easily just smooth it out to make it, go. But these could be great for any bar or, kitchen island and a business even. They're sturdy enough. I think they could come with commercial application. They're easy to put together. They come with all the screws. There's just 4 screws right here, and then 3 screws that put this plate on. And yeah, they're just really nice chairs. And I want to explain something. When I sit on it, because it has that gas adjust, is it actually has some suspension in it. It moves around, so you feel weightless sitting in here. Really nice on the back. You can see when I stand up, that goes down, then you sit back down, it compresses. They're actually also sturdy. They're good for up to 300 pounds. And I think these chairs weigh like a good 30 something pounds a piece with that weighted bottom plate. But you can see when I'm standing on it, compresses and gives it kind of like a tractor, like air suspension on it. Highly recommend it. This is in the tallest setting here. I'm going to lower this. This is the lowest setting. So it should work for just about any height counter you want. Like, I could put this lowest setting like under like a normal sized dining chair, and up here this could be, these are standard height island right here. But if you had a taller like bar height, taller island as well, these would work for that. And even at that top setting, they're super stable thanks to that weighted base. And I hope this video helps you with your buying decision.